Hi guys, I thought that we should have a quick chat, or I should explain a little bit on some of the side hustles that I'm in currently and some of the things that didn't actually work for me. Okay. And my experience with some of these things that didn't work. Okay. So currently, you will see that on my page or on my channel, you will see that I share information or I share my journey with you guys on number one, Prestige Wealth Investments, and number two, Autumn Foundation. Those are two totally different companies. They operate, they work differently. They are investment companies and trading companies, but they operate differently. Okay, so I don't want to compare one to the other or the other to the other. I just want to give you my input or like what I have planned to do on with each of these companies and why I have joined those companies, specifically these two. Okay. And then there are companies that did not work. Yes, previously you saw me promoting some other companies like Greener Pastures and some of those stockpile companies and things like that. I'm sorry to say, but a lot of those things were just, yes, I didn't lose. I made money on it, but I just feel like it's a big fat waste of time, in all honesty. And it's companies where you get into it and you have to recruit in order to make money. And sometimes we like a lot, like there's a lot of people out there that don't want to recruit. There's a lot of people that are not interested in recruiting. Some just want to get in, invest their money and make money, right? So okay, I have removed those or hid away those videos from my channel because I am no longer interested in it. I have even left most of those things. Okay. So yes, I joined Greener Pastures. I've removed that. I joined Live Good. I've also removed that. Yes, Live Good, yes, in the long run, from what I've seen other people make a lot of money from it. I've seen other people grow on it. And I've seen that people have been like there's others that's doing very well on it, but my experience is not working for me, unfortunately. Okay, I think I got into the investment side of things, and that is what works for me. It's what excites me. It's where I make a lot more money, and it's where I make money every day, and I don't have to stress about recruiting. You get it? Okay, so I have canceled all those subscriptions. I've canceled all those things that I used to do, and now I am currently only with Prestige Wealth Investments and Autumn Foundation. Okay, I am looking at into a few others, one or two others, but I'm still doing the research. I don't see any legitimacy in them as yet. So because I haven't completed the research. Okay, so let's see how it goes and if I will get into anything. But right now, I mean, I have my hands full. Prestige Wealth Investments is doing very well for me. I started there in October last year. I have grown a lot in Prestige Wealth Investments. And also it's a company. I just want to tell you, like when you get into these companies, like especially when we're looking at these companies, we don't want to just go and invest into anywhere. Just because you see somebody promoting it. Okay, so with Prestige Wealth Investments, you'll see that I did a lot of research even at the beginning. And when I joined it, I was very happy at the fact that the CEO was visible, Mr. K.M. Monering. Now, where do you ever find that? You don't find that. Like, I mean, like up until today, even though there's challenges that we face currently, he is still visible. He comes on the Zooms. He still explains to us. He's still, you know, uh, uh, uh you know, pushing and trying to, I mean, the company is only 13 months old, right? So, a company that's this young has grown by a lot. Okay. We've got over 40,000 investors now in Prestige Wealth Investments. So it's grown very, very quickly within this 1 year period. I think it's about from the 2nd of May last year was when they started. And now I think it's 1 year, 1 month. We are in June, yeah, 1 year, 1 month. So yes, the company has grown by a lot. And through all of that, we are still going and we still trust the company, we still trust the CEO, we are still patient, and we are still growing and still going strong with Prestige Wealth Investments. Okay, so yeah, that's one of the companies that's doing very, very, very well for me. I'm not even kidding, it's doing very well for me. If you want to hear more, you can go through my videos here on my channel, on my page. You will see that I've explained a lot on Prestige Wealth Investments, and it's because I've made a lot of money on it. I have invested over 250,000 so far on Prestige Wealth Investments. I have withdrawn well over 200,000 as well. I think it's most probably even maybe 300,000 now. I continue to withdraw, I continue to do well and grow on Prestige. I've even bought a share, a small, very small piece of the pie I did buy, okay, which is available to members, investors. So like basically if you want to buy a share, you can come in and you can become an investor and you can buy a share as well. Okay, so even that small share that I bought will pay me a good portion eventually. So yeah, I'm very happy there. And then also Autumn Foundation, there I started with very little. I think I started with only about 2,000 rands, and now I think it's close to 10,000 rands. And then I just add a little bit, a little bit. I have a plan there. It's a sort of like a long-term goal, but I can't even say long-term anymore because I have made some changes as to what I want to do there. By September this year, I want to invest 160,000 into Autumn Foundation. I want to lock the monies. I want to fix it, put it on fixed for 1 year. And by next year, September, October, or let's just say next year, October, that investment of 160,000 will be 1 million. Okay. And then from end of October, I will be able to start withdrawing 170,000 a month. So for as long as the company is around, that's what I will get. Okay. Autumn is also another company that's licensed, also another company where the CEO is visible, the shareholders are visible, and where there's a lot of Zooms, a lot of trainings, a lot of information, a lot of different parts within the company that you can invest into. It's not just investing into the XAI bot or one specific bot, but you can invest into gold, you can invest into the other bots. There's so many different parts of it, and I'm still trying to learn everything. But I do know a few that we can invest into within Autumn. But this is my plan that I've worked and my strategy that I've worked out for myself in order for me to become a millionaire. Okay. So within a short frame of time, yes, I have grown within these companies, these investment companies, they have worked best for me. And yes, there were companies in the past that we have lost it, but we also got to remember that you're not going to lose in every single company, and you're not going to fail at everything. So you got to do your due diligence on the companies that you're joining. First, get comfortable, check everything out, make sure the company is licensed. And remember, it's not just about it having FSP for here in South Africa. It needs to have a license for whichever country it is trading in or operating in. Okay, so those are the licenses you need to check for, and you need to check it yourself. Don't just believe it like when people just give you license numbers or show you certifications, because even that can be AI generated. Okay, and then also websites as well can be AI generated things. So just be careful of all of that. I just wanted to quickly come and tell you about some of the side hustles that have worked, some that have not worked for me. Those stock files, WhatsApp stock files and stuff, they're all a waste of time. That's my opinion. Maybe it's worked for others, but in my opinion, it doesn't. I've tried a lot of it. Not to say that I have not lost any money. With all of them, yes, I have made my money back. But they cannot, those kind of things cannot move forward if you don't recruit. And guys, not all of us are here to recruit. We just sometimes want to get into a company, invest our monies, and get our profits or returns. And yeah, that's where I am. And I will continue to share more about Prestige Wealth Investments and Aurum. And if you want more information on any of these companies that I'm in, please send me a WhatsApp. I am free to explain everything to you and send you all the information. You can go ahead and do your own due diligence on the company, and then you can come back and invest.